3 things why I'm using the Nomatic compression bags. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Oliver. I'm a leader working for 100 employees at KFC in Switzerland, and I'm a fireman. When I had a conversation with my mom and my fiance about why I'm using this compression bag all the time, there was an easy answer. I showed them this compression bag. This one is from Nomatic, as you can see. And what I did then is, I basically opened this compression part, which now gives this whole thing a little more space, if you have the comparison. And then I was basically started unpacking. So we have one t-shirt in here. Ranger roll is the way. I always roll my clothes, so that's a normal size shirt. Just put that on the side for later use. There's one trouser that's 32-34 jeans size. And I have another, whoops, there was something too fast. I have another trouser in here, same, 32-34. Then I have my underwear, 3 times, 3 vests, 1, 2, 3, all normal size, I mean nothing fancy. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of socks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this has all been in this compression bag. So I hope this answers your question why I'm using the compression bags. For me, it's basically 3 things. Number 1, I have it ready packed. Small thing, stays in my closet. Number 2, I get a lot of stuff inside, which I usually would not be able to get inside if I would just pack it normally like this. And number 3 and foremost, I will not forget about anything. I will not thinking like, oh, how much should I bring with me? I have it already packed, I can just go on the go. I'm happy. Because sometimes you end up in a scenario where you have like juices on your shirt, Coke on your trouser, and that's why even for short stays, I just take this one and go on the way. If you enjoyed this video, consider watching my Nomatic 15-liter review, which is on my daily travel backpack and where this one fits in perfectly. See you next time.